Hi everyone, in this CF PowerScripts tutorial you will learn how to add collapsible FAQ entries to your Clickfunnels Classic pages that can look like this, using the CF Smart F.A.Q PowerScript. This will help you address customer concerns and objections directly on the page, helping close sales faster, keep your funnel page organized, and make it easier for users to browse your page as they will not have to scroll through the long text. To set everything up, you will need your Clickfunnels Classic account and CF PowerScripts VIP account. The first thing that you will need to do is to log into your CF PowerScripts account. If you have just created your account, please watch the onboarding video that shows how to connect your Clickfunnels account to CF PowerScripts. You can add the CF Smart F.A.Q PowerScript globally to all the funnels or to a specific funnel, step or page. If you want to add the PowerScript to a funnel and it's the first PowerScript you are adding to this funnel, don't forget to add our code snippet to the body tracking code section. I want to add the CF Smart F.A.Q PowerScript to the demo funnel. That's why I select this funnel. Then click Add New, search for the CF Smart F.A.Q PowerScript, click on the card to open the settings page, and the only thing that you need to do here is to click Add Script. Once you add the CF Smart F.A.Q PowerScript, you can go to ClickFunnels and add actual FAQ to your funnel. So go to the funnel and open the funnel step where you want to add FAQ. I will use the demo page. Our CF Smart F.A.Q PowerScript works on all page types to ensure that you can add frequently asked questions on any page of your funnel where you deem necessary. Open the page in the page editor. We will start by creating regular FAQ that you can add in a multi-column row or in a regular one-column row. To create a simple FAQ like that, you need to use a headline element for the question and a paragraph element for the answer. Once you add the question and the answer, open the settings of the question and go to the CSS info by clicking on this hashtag icon. In the CSS title field, enter CFPS -FAQ -question and click Update to save the changes. After that, go to the settings of the answer of the paragraph by clicking on the gear icon here. Go to the CSS info by clicking on the hashtag icon. In the title field, enter CFPS -FAQ -answer and click Update. You will need to do it for every FAQ that you add to the page and then save the changes. You can style FAQ the way you want, for example, change the color, font, add a border or a background like I have here. And now let's preview the page and see how our FAQ work. Thanks to the CF Smart F.A.Q PowerScript, the headline and paragraph elements that we added to the page are now turned into collapsible FAQ. Now let's go back to our ClickFunnels page and I will show you how to create FAQ that have multiple columns in the answer. If you want to have FAQ like that with multiple columns in the answer to add an image and the text, or just multiple columns with text, you need to do one thing differently. Instead of just adding a headline and a paragraph as the question and the answer, you need to add rows. We need to add one column row and then the headline element for the question. And for the answer, we select multiple column row. In this case, it's a two-column row. And then we need to adjust the CSS info not of the specific element, but for the rows that we use for the question and for the answer. We go to the settings of the row where we have our question, go to the CSS info, and enter CFPS -FAQ -question here. Click Update to save the changes. And after that, go to the settings of the row that you use for the answer. Go to the CSS info and enter CFPS -FAQ -answer. Click Update. Save the changes and let's preview the page to see how this kind of FAQ works. That's an example of FAQ with multi-column answers, and when we expand the answer, we see two columns with the image and the text. In addition to that, the CF Smart F.A.Q PowerScript, where possible, will automatically add the schema.org markup for FAQ, potentially increasing the chance of them showing in the People Also Ask section on Google search results. While there is no guarantee that Google will pick up your FAQ and show it in the search result, with this markup, the chance that it happens is higher. You don't need to do anything to enable this behavior. The CF Smart F.A.Q power script does it automatically. If you have any questions or experience any issues, feel free to reach out to the support from your CF Power Scripts dashboard. And if you prefer to save time on the whole setup and let us do the work for you, check out our Done For You offers and let us take care of the technical details so that you can focus on more important tasks.